What's up, guys? I'm a clown in training, hoping to be a clown legend one day. I'm here with my friend Delirious Marc, and he's gonna be teaching me how to do some proper clown makeup.
Let's get started. All right, let's do it. You're a beautiful little clown.
Gonna be a legend, right?
Yep, one day you'll be a big clown legend, just like me. Big legend. Big legend.
I mean, shouldn't you be telling everybody what you're doing? You know, it is a tutorial, right?
Put the makeup on the face and have a big smile. How do you look? Look at yourself.
How do I look, everybody?
All right, you ready for the last thing? One more final touch.
You bet, Delirious Marc. Delirious Marc, is this right?
Yep.
This doesn't really seem right, Delirious Marc.
It is. Almost done. Just a few more steps. All done.
Time to wake up, Marc. No. It's just a dream. Woo!